Welcome to next episode of Brew It Better with the Brew Bros. This is Dhinesh, he will brew. I am Josh, I am Bro.
Alright, so first up we've got the La Vaqueta. It's a coffee from Mexico, from Nuevo Tenejapa, and it's grown by Pedro López Méndez. And these coffees are washed, fully washed. We are going to get really clean flavors, and I'm just going to go straight in to brew it.
So this is a mixed varietal coffee. It's a single origin but mixed varietal coffee. That's Pacamara, Bourbon, Costa Rica 95, and Obata.
Alright, I think we'll just go straight into it.
Let's go.
We're going to start brewing.
Let me know if you need help. I can help you with holding things. Our table is very small.
You can hold this.
Okay.
Hold this and stare at the camera. Okay.
So how many grams of coffee are we doing today?
We're doing just 15 grams. It's nothing too fancy. It's just an easy recipe to work with. I like using quite a balanced coffee to water ratio between 1:16, 1:17. I don't like my coffees too light. I don't like them too heavy either. Okay, almost done.
So why are we filming outdoors today?
Because we can and we will. Okay, that's good to go.
Yeah, it's good to go.
All right, you hold this now.
I will
Stare at
hold
the camera.
Of course, it's not going to be 95 degrees water, but is there anything that we can do to ensure that our extraction's okay if you're brewing outside and not at home? I know a lot of people will be wondering, but you cannot control the temperature.
I think it's important to temper your expectations. Yeah. When you brew outside, unless you have a burner, a Bunsen burner, I think it's important to temper your expectations for your coffee. You're not going to get the same results of what you can brew at home or in a bar as compared to brewing outside. So it's really, you're just brewing for the vibes. Okay.
Into the earth you go.
Back to the earth. Okay.
Okay,
right.
I'm preparing
Can you dump the coffee in? It's pre-measured, so we don't have to
15
second
grams
guess
of coffee.
ourselves. Oh my gosh.
Let me help you with the tapping.
Shishini. Okay, I think we're good. So once again, from this coffee, I think it's a wash process. We're gonna get a lot of nice, bright, juicy flavors.
Yep.
And I think we can expect quite a balance around the acidity to it.
Our producer Pedro López Méndez, he has been tending to his farm for over a decade, and this farm has been passed down from his grandfather. So it's not just a business to him, right? It's also a labor of love, right? So he handpicks the ripest cherries by hand. I think that's a very manual process that many producers, I think we don't really want to let go of, because it's also a delicate process.
And it's very tedious as well.
It is tedious, but it's a delicate process. Yeah, so for our producer, it's really the heritage that he wants to pass down as well, and that labor of love will be translated into the cup.
Speaking of cups, you got your tasting cup ready?
Yes, sir.
The brew's almost done, dude.
Yep.
Right, got our brewski. Just gonna give it a quick swirl, cool it down a little. One for you.
Thank you, sir. Bro.
And one for me. Okay. Yep, right off the bat, you get that nuttiness.
Yep.
You get mellow acidity.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's a very bright.
Very clean, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got that soft, mellow acidity, very reminiscent of Fuji apples. We've got a nice almond nuttiness to round it off. Yeah, and you can get a bit of that grapefruit as well as it cools down.
Yeah.
So very easy drinking stuff. Yeah, I think citrusy notes kind of come out a little more as it cools down further.
This coffee from Mexico, I think it would be a great option if you are looking for something that's clean and easy to drink.
Look out for Pedro López Méndez and this producer and his coffee. Really nice stuff, really easy drinking. It's getting harder to find washed coffees nowadays because the market's flooded with a lot of heavily processed coffees. Nothing wrong with that, but just a personal take, I always feel like if you can get your hands on any washed coffees really, do try and get your hands on them, especially La Vaqueta.
Join us next episode, it will be a different coffee. So, see you.
Yep. If you want to get La Vaqueta, of course, you can always buy it from us. Shameless plug. Yeah. All right. See you next time. Cheers.